part
so weird and
2
why,
of the
just saying
how
not many.
the Lean build. Also, my friend Harper, also known as Emma Daniel, it's a shout out to you because you're definitely not the only one watching them. Okay, fine, you are the only one watching them.
Are you sure she's the only one watching?
Yeah. Other than us.
A lot of other people watch my videos.
Your videos, but not the Minecraft videos.
We don't get very many views like Minecraft videos, Katie.
I know, but Minecraft is fun to play, and they're for Harper, and she said to keep up the good work. So we're doing it for Harper. Okay?
No, I just clicked it.
Oh, by the way, this is my Halloween skin that I made. I just made it like a minute ago.
This is mine.
Anyway, I need to start.
Okay, do the voting in the description. Bye. I'm going to just change my avatar to my YouTube avatar.
Okay, well, while Jacob is changing his avatar, I might just put it up a tiny bit so that you can see him a tiny bit better. Okay, now you can see him properly. Now, let's have a look. Oh. Hey, you're making it all glitchy.
Sorry.
Wasn't your thing, didn't your YouTuber skin have big giant eyes? Something?
Pardon?
Didn't your YouTuber skin have like big giant eyes or something?
No. No. That's not my YouTuber skin.
Was that just a random skin?
Yes.
Oh. Okay then. What the matter?
What?
Why are you so small?
Cause.
Right. Ugh. Okay, look at how glitchy you're making.
Oopsies.
No, it's just that.
Lop, 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 blob, 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 blob. Wait, does it change the direction?
Guess what?
No, it doesn't. It doesn't say it's the exact same direction. Blah, 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 blah. Blop.
Casey,
Yes.
look at my skin.
Why are you so small?
Because I'm a kid, yeah.
Why have you got a skirt on?
It's not a skirt.
What is it?
Don't judge me.
It looks like a skirt to me.
It's not a skirt.
Wow.
Don't judge me.
What are you doing in my house?
Mhm.
Are you stealing my ideas?
What?
And Jacob, you might want to work on your house because we've only got half an hour to finish these.
Not really. We can make another episode.
I know, but actually we only have like 25 minutes because I'm pretty sure either Mum or someone's gonna vote. I'm not sure yet. Yeah. You know what? You can watch Jakey's screen like while I'm doing all of this. There you go. Because I'm just building the roof, not doing anything interesting.
I'm going for an adventure.
Okay, well, Jacob's apparently going on an adventure, and what are you doing? It's a flat world. Jacob, it's a flat world. You're gonna fall. And
Did I come?
yes, you did.
Anyways, I'm walking around.
Wait, how are you walking? Wait.
What?
Oh, I can walk on air. That's why.
By the way, I wasn't flying.
What?
See, I'm not flying.
Oh. Okay, Jakey's been going for 7 minutes so far. What is Jakey doing? Jacob is doing. What did you say?
I said don't say.
Right, okay.
Katie, look how fast I'm running.
Yeah, you're flying.
You sure?
Yes, I'm sure. Because it's not making the grass sounds. See? Now it's making them. Now it's not.
Hey, Katie, just saying.
Mm-mm.
Ready? Hold on.
Show them your controller.
Yeah.
So that they know what you're doing.
I didn't go up. See? Ready? Hold on. So I'm walking. Hold on. Walking normally. Hold on. Walking normally.
Wait, guys, I've got something really funny to show you.
I'll show you.
Wait, what? Hang on.
Walking normally flying. Wait, walking normally flying.
I'm twerking.
I didn't go up, didn't I?
I'm twerking.
What does that mean?
It means wiggle your butt. Okay.
There's a sea legends. There's a sea people. Just
Yeah.
why is
There we
so
go.
many bad?
Jacob, it is a Halloween build. The one time where you're allowed to have bats.
Just saying.
Spawn foxes.
Why do foxes go to?
Because he's so cute.
Because they're also very annoying.
Ew. How dare you say that to the foxes? I'm only spawning them in my house.
Just saying, guys. Want to do something?
Goodbye. Why did I just hear a chicken sound coming from me? Bark, bark. Bark. This is gonna take forever. Also, Harper, I saw that you wrote that I should not kill the foxes, so hurt them or hit them or anything. So I'm not gonna hit them. I'm just gonna push them. I hope that's okay. Or I'm going to put them on the leash, have them all the way up, and then just unleash them. I hope that doesn't count as hurting them. I think it does, but anyway. The way to get rid of them. I'm sorry, Harper, but the foxes deserve it. Because they were in the way. Big Jake is talking in the back again. Shh. I don't think he heard me. Being very loud. Okay. Beep. I can't see. Oh my goodness, I can't see. Okay, I'm gonna need to get some lights. Okay, guys. This, I'm going to get all the lights and test it. I'm pretty sure I might put these two as the glow ones because it looks better. Just because, like, I don't want it to be too bright though. Okay, this is perfect. Now, when you go inside, it's really dark. So I'm gonna need to light it up with something. Maybe lanterns, because they sort of look spooky and sort of cool, you know? Oh, whoops. I didn't mean to get two, but anyway. Let's hang in this corner. Oh my goodness, I actually got it in the corner. I couldn't even see anything. Jump, jump, jump. There. Jump, jump. There we go. There. There we go. Bing, 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 bing. It's taking forever. Yeah, boom. Still very dark, but this is actually kind of a good lighting because, like, we don't want it too bright. Maybe I shouldn't frame the doors. Maybe just the windows because the door is a bit too much. What are you doing? It's not tall enough to reach the door. Whoops. sorry about that. The camera kind of fell. We didn't
and
do
guess who
anything.
set up the camera? My sister.
Excuse me? Rude. Okay. Foxes, foxes, foxes. There you go. Just 3. You can just roam around my backyard. No? Okay. So, first we're gonna need wither roses. Whatever they're called. Yeah, wither rose. Some wither roses.
Yeah, you said he was coming up for today. Like he hung out with Paddy a couple of days ago. So it was a nice distraction. But he wrote another letter.
There we go. We got a few wither roses.
I don't know if you've spoken to
Okay,
him.
now let's have a look. What else do we have? We need like some dead trees. Like, yeah, I'll make some dead trees.
We ended up, we wrote another letter to one of the supervisor guys. And basically, he just made a few more points. But anyway, it was good. You'll probably show you the letter. Hey? Yeah, yeah, it was.
Yeah, what does look like? It could be like maybe one leaf. And then maybe like some vines. Vines will make it look more old and spooky.
Anyway, that's all that happened. It was just a phone call. And then, yeah, we'll be back.
There we go, let them grow till the end.
Well, I remember years ago when
Got some foxes, a dead tree
when
over
Red was
there,
pregnant,
and then
she was
wait,
telling
do
everybody
any of the
that she
leaves
was pregnant.
look like dead
Yeah,
leaves?
and I had I was on the phone with her one day and I
What
said, oh,
does birch leaves look
and this
like?
is how it works. Just
No, let's actually try. Maybe we could have
And that's all I said.
wait, what else do we need? We need
I
like
got a phone call from Rev like an hour later saying, oh, I think you
bones.
And I was like, why didn't
Actually, nah, it's fine.
Anyway,
So we might actually put those there. We need some little pumpkins, but not too light because we don't want it too bright. Just because it's a little.
I think Dad was he's got back home now.
I think it's just a tiny bit too many pumpkins. There, that should be enough. Now, what if I get... Wait, what was I doing again? I completely forgot. That's right, skulls. That and some of these.
It's gonna blow up, so
Oh, wow.
okay.
Is it worthwhile going?
Just saying there's a wiggle in there, so be careful.
I reckon that is pretty good.
What?
What I did. I did the backyard. Does it look good?
Mm.
I did dread tree, lots of. Oh no! The foxes and the little roses are killing them. Oh, I'm sorry. I'll get you out of there right away. Just gotta get a leash, you guys. Just gotta leash you. Is it okay to leash you? Okay. Urgently. Need.
Okay.
Please don't kill you. Please don't kill you. Please don't kill you. Please don't kill you. Please don't. Oh, for you. How do I unleash you?
Just saying, once you're in the wither chamber, you can get in, but you can't get out. Just saying. Unless you break the door. In survival mode is the only way you can't really get out unless you
How do
break
I undo the leash? What if I get rid of it?
I don't
Now?
know.
Is it gone? Get oh. Seriously, how do I'm gonna need to get some fences real quick so that I can
How you going, Mr. Wither?
okay, then I can get you and Foxy? Foxy? Oh my goodness, I'm so sorry. Yes, it works. Okay. Now. There you go, you're free. Okay. Now you guys, I'm so sorry. I didn't mean to. I didn't even know. Might actually put it like this. Okay. Sorry. Oh, look at them. I won't disturb you guys, okay? They're so cute. Oh, you want to go see your brothers and sisters? Or you don't know what to do? Do you not know what to do? Oh, wait. You've got meat in your mouth. Never mind. Okay, I'm pretty sure this outside part here is pretty good. Are you serious? There's a spider in my house.
Seems good.
I'm going to, oh, this is really annoying. I need to, that's better.
What?
What? The wither. Oh, no, the wither's here. Okay, I need to.
By the way, Katie, wither's in a cage. The wither is in a cage. Just saying.
Got
I'll
you.
make a video tomorrow about Lego City Undercover.
Oh, I can't see anything. Oh man, so dark.
Stuff. I only got Rex Fury today. I finished this mission with my friend. And I got Rex Fury.
Okay.
It's the one where
Oh, it's so dark.
the self-destructive spaceship.
Are you serious? Like,
What?
there's a slime in my house.
Are you sure it's a slime?
Yeah, it's in the dark.
Or is it just the book you forgot to place? Actually,
It is a
yeah,
slime.
It's a block.
I definitely didn't think that was a block.
Nah. Yes, please.
Nah, yes, please.
I said, yes, please.
Excuses, excuses. Okay, just gotta really get rid of all these.
Just saying, this one.
Perfect, there's a bat.
You'll eventually stop.
Oh, I've got. Okay, I'm pretty sure I've got a pretty good thing. Actually, I kind of want it to be a little bit dim lighted. Okay, what should I add? Okay, so there should be like a thing of ender chests.
I might actually. Katie, just 1 sec. Pause the video for a second.
Pause the video. Okay.
I'm going.
Bang. Okay, guys, we are back. Whoops, I need to join.
Sorry, I was just.
Wait, whoops.
You just click on download.
There.
What?
Okay, guys, I'm joining.
Hold on.
Okay, I'm going to be adding.
The weird fought the door. You stupid weirdo.
There's going to be some creepy chests over here. And I'm definitely going to need some spider webs.
Got it.
Okay. Spider webs. And then what else should we have? Like in my house. I guess you shouldn't really be helping me with these kind of competition. So. What are you doing?
Racing little kids.
Okay, well, I'm not really quite sure what Jacob's doing, but I just had some spider webs. I need to add some monsters, like.
Hold on, just making sure I did get the link.
Okay, I need some decoration stuff. Let's have a look. We might add some wither roses.
Okay, that's good.
Oh wait, I've already got wither roses, never mind. Okay, I need to frame the door.
Hey, Katie, epic parkour.
Very cool. Okay. Okay, you know what? There's just a tiny bit too many. Sorry, you just a tiny. Whoa, it gave me a lot of stuff. What did it give me? Oh wait,
RT.
what did it give me? A stone sword.
It gave me the sword.
Coal. Yeah. It's on low, so it didn't matter.
Pardon?
It was on like low thing. Are they still there? Oh, the roses still huddled under the tree. I might wait. Do they burn in the sunlight? No, they don't. So add 2. They're not burning.
Yeah?
They're not burning.
Yeah, that's because they don't burn.
Oh, okay.
Hey, Katie, do you think I can jump your fence? Katie, do you think I can jump your fence?
No. Oh, you have a potion of leaping. Yes, you can jump my fence. I need some wither roses out the front.
I'm gonna make spooky parkour next level.
You guys are getting killed by the wither roses.
What?
The monsters are getting killed by the wither roses. So What else should I add in here? I need to add more, like... Why am I Alex?
Pardon?
Why am I Alex? Please tell me you saved my skin. Didn't save my skin. Well, I guess I'll just be this. Okay, what about some sort of decoration? What about I can have brewing stand and like
By the way, you need a
enchantment
potion
table.
of leaping to do this parkour. Just saying.
Oh, okay. Not a sea pickle. What am I doing? I don't want pickle. I need books. That's what I need. Wait, are there books in here? Yeah, I think they are. Book.
Okay, they're just showing you how to do the parkour. Okay, ready?
Mhm.
Boing. Hold on. Don't jump it. Just saying.
Whoa, that's cool. Over here, there's a brewing stand, and then I need something else that's creepy. What's something that's kind of creepy? What about let's see, what else? You know what? I'm just gonna have another brewing stand. And then actually here can be like a cauldron, maybe? Yeah, a cauldron.
Okay, they're just showing you.
Yeah.
If it weren't for me, then you would have failed on that jump. Ready? I'll show you. Why? Hold on. And you need to have a full, like, speed run, and you can make it.
Very cool. Okay, now I need some water, and then I need
Did
some...
you know I'm the main character for a YouTube channel, right?
No, you're not.
Then why have I made more single videos than you?
Because I like playing Minecraft with you and doing challenges. I actually kind of want to find a green potion. Green weed potion. Potion of poison.
Oh, I spawned a chicken.
There we go. Now it has bubbles coming out of it. That's perfect. Need a rose. Over there is pretty much just done. And then what if I need some more stuff. There's no creepy stuff really. Is there? How long is the video be going for? 33 minutes. Okay guys, we're gonna after Jacob finishes throwing his eggs, we're going to have to do part 3. Part 3 because like why does so many chickens? Wait, you spawned them from throwing the eggs. Jacob, what are you doing? How many eggs do you have?
I'm vomiting up the eggs.
Well, anyway, this is the end.
They're spewing eggs.
Okay, next video we are going to finish our houses and...
I am so sick.
Jacob. Next video we are going to... That's really annoying. Next video we are going to,
Spew?
No, we're going to finish...
Our build challenge?
Yeah, and then
at the end we're gonna
someone's
pumpkins.
gonna vote. Someone's gonna vote.
And then at the end, whoever
wins.
Then no,
No,
not really.
whoever wins
Actually,
gets.
no. At the end,
Wait,
doesn't really matter who wins or not. We have a giant fight, like a giant fight with eggs.
Yeah.
right. Anyway, guys, that is the end. Bye.